Hi, after a bit of hiatus, we're back with the 2021 version of Dalet MediaTalks. I'm Jonathan Coutts-Zawadzki. For the past 30 years, we have built media asset management solutions for thousands of our customers, be it news customers, sports, government, corporate customers. We are on a journey now offering cloud-based SaaS solutions, which depends closely on working with our partners, such as Spectra Logic, who have a new and innovative solution that we're going to talk about called Black Pearl. I'd like to introduce you to Hossein from Spectra Logic. Hossein, please tell us about yourself.
My name is Hossein ZiaShakeri, and I am responsible for our media and entertainment business globally.
Well, pleasure to meet you, Hossein. So who is Spectra Logic in 2021? What markets and customers do you serve?
Most people know Spectra Logic basically for our tape offering that we've done for over 40 years or so. But over the last 10 or so years, Spectra Logic has invested very heavily in a lot of software tools and storage. In general, nowadays, I would say Spectra Logic is a company that provides storage and storage management solutions for the industry or for the industries that are very data intensive, and data is the center of their business and their operations. Such markets as high performance computing, genomics, research sites, and media and entertainment, which is a big part of our business. So our focus is and will be moving forward on how best and most intelligently manage the data.
Hossein, all of our customers want to securely store their content in an archive solution. But instead of just LTL, many are looking to the clouds. That is Amazon, Google, Azure Cloud, to mention a few, with specific interest in object storage. For Dalet, object storage technology is a good way to leverage best-of-breed technology, as well as utilize hybrid workflows. This integration allows us to move content across various storage technologies, augmented with workflow orchestration. So what is the difference between how content was managed and organized before with an HSM and how it's handled now with object storage?
The traditional models or the traditional HSM applications, they manage things as files, and there are issues associated with that in terms of scaling and searchability and what have you. What object storage brings to the table, it's a web-based model, and it can scale to any level, and it provides the means for searchability, for shareability across sites and across the cloud. You can scale it to any level that you want. You can add metadata to it for easier search and all that. When you bring all of these together, object storage is a much better way to do that. What we've done basically is to take advantage of the object storage, which we call Black Pearl, basically, to bring all those values to the end users.
Hossein, you mentioned earlier about a hybrid cloud solutions, such as Black Pearl. What is Black Pearl and how is it a game changer?
Black Pearl has the capability to put any content in any bucket, basically in the cloud, in its native format, so that any other application that runs in the cloud, be it AI or be it Playout or be it whatever that might be, that they would be able to access that content and process it. The other aspect is if you may want to put it content in the cloud so that another user from another location can have access to that. So it just basically brings the many aspects of on-prem and cloud storage together and provides a platform where multiple people can share and see content.
Object storage sounds promising. For media professionals, how has cloud infrastructure and object storage played a key role during the pandemic, with people working from home but trying to access content at their main facility or elsewhere?
As everybody knows, basically everybody was forced to work, remotely from their homes, from their backyard, their basement, or what have you. And the ability to access content was huge, and to make sure that the content is there. The other aspect that this COVID did is because a lot of folks couldn't create new content, so being able to access the content that they had to be able to repurpose that and monetize it in today's environment, that was a huge thing. So what object storage basically enabled is, first and foremost, it's a lot easier to share it, to share it between the side and on network and all that, because it's web-based. So the shareability is huge. The fact that we could create copies, in the cloud for disaster recovery, that ensured that not only you have access to on-prem, but also that you may have, should something happen, you will have access in the cloud as well. So business continuity, disaster recovery was another aspects of this. So when you look at today's environment, I would say shareability, collaborative workflow, and business continuity, those are the kind of stuff that object storage definitely put its signature on, and that's how it helps a lot of our customers. So Jonathan, from Dalet's perspective, what were the drivers to bring this partnership together?
Hossein, we've been working together for quite some time now with previous integrations. However, it was the availability of the new Rio Broker that drove this integration, specifically to serve the needs of some of our joint customers in the US, that really pushed this final effort to qualify Dalet Galaxy 5 with Black Pearl using the Rio Broker. This is great news for any content owners looking for a fully integrated approach for content management, archive, and distribution. Well, Hossein, going forward, any of Dalet's existing or prospective clients can benefit from this deep collaboration and tech integration between two industry leaders. Dalet addresses the needs for content production, management, and distribution, and together with Spectra Logic's deep understanding of archive needs, we have a very compelling offering. Talking about the Rio Broker, Hossein, can you explain what advantages does it bring to integrate with the Rio Broker instead of another method?
So what we created with Rio Broker, it basically is an abstraction of the front of the Black Pearl. What it basically does, it's a data mover, but it also provides a much simpler API to integrate with. So the effort level to integrate with the whole Black Pearl-based solution is much, much easier. And it doesn't require recertification, every year or every other year or what have you. It pretty much eliminates that whole thing because it abstracts it from the backend Black Pearl. We can add a lot of additions and feature sets and capability without affecting basically the integration. That's one great aspect of this, the ease and the fact that we don't have to recertify every so often. The other aspect of Rio Broker, it basically provides very high performance data movement from any source to Black Pearl and vice versa, or the cloud or what have you. And you can scale it based on the customer's need. It also brings a lot of enterprise level capabilities to the solution, like high availability. It's a huge thing because it guarantees that the users always have access to their content regardless of what it is. The other aspect of this, it has capabilities to index content so that the users can take advantage of time code or byte offset partial file recovery and what have you. And we also shard the data basically between the Rio clusters so that the database is always protected and is always available. So overall, it basically makes the whole thing a complete enterprise-worthy solution for our customers, a combination of both Black Pearl, Rio, and Galaxy. But, with this integration that we've done, Jonathan, if a customer is looking for a total solution, or if they're looking into modernizing their environment, why should they be looking at a combination of both Dalet and Spectra Logic? Can you share some thoughts on that?
We are finalizing an additional integration between Black Pearl and our flagship media logistics platform, Dalet Flex, which is a new addition to the platform integration ecosystem. One of our clients, Down Under, has 10 years worth of sports content whose lifecycle will be securely managed through workflow rules with rich metadata and automated archive restore requirements for multi-platform distribution. All of this can be made possible through the integration of Black Pearl and Dalet Flex. Additionally, we'll continue to work on joint initiatives that spread the word about our integration. Both Dalet and Spectra Logic have strong roadmaps. Both teams will continue to collaborate on upcoming solutions that are tested, certified, and brings maximum value to our customers.
What we've done together to proactively test and certify everything together and make sure that all aspects of the content creation to content monetization, all of that are basically already tested, certified and in place. That obviously create a degree of high confidence in our customers to look at us as a joint solution provider. And that's really what it's all about. It's about our customers and what we deliver to them.
There will always be a need for secure, affordable, and integrated archive management systems. And this is where it's important for us to partner with best-of-breed providers like Spectra Logic. With hungry audiences demanding content across all platforms, the ability to manage and monetize large content catalogs efficiently is becoming essential. Spectra's solutions help manage the content lifecycle quickly and easily across different storage layers with an affordable solution, so it's accessible to different company sizes, be it small or large. And with such an open partner ecosystem, it serves multiple use cases too. Market demand for cloud-based and remote production workflows is here to stay, and this is where the partnership between Dalet's production and distribution solutions and Spectra Logic's Black Pearl archive management tools is helping head-on to address these needs. Dalet solutions provide full support for remote production with hybrid and cloud-based infrastructure. And thanks to the integration with Black Pearl, it is now possible for content providers and creators to access large archive volumes anytime, anywhere. Well, thank you, Hossein, for a great Media Talks. We at Dalet look forward to this ongoing partnership that benefits our customers worldwide by helping them introduce object storage to their media workflows. Thanks again, Hossein.